Let's take a look at the LG Counter Depth Max refrigerator with zero clearance and thin door design. The thin door design and zero clearance hinge allows you to install this refrigerator in tighter spaces. As the name suggests, this refrigerator comes with a thin door, almost 45% thinner than our standard French door refrigerator. This thinner door, combined with LG's zero clearance hinge, allows you to have access to all your items by limiting the angle that you are able to open the doors. Standard French door refrigerators open between 120 and 130 degrees, which if you're in a tight space, it can cause damage to both the refrigerator and the surrounding cabinets. But LG's zero clearance hinge with thin door opens at an angle up to 108 degrees, solving this problem. With a thin door design, you lose virtually no storage space on the inside of the refrigerator, making this the largest counter depth model that features a thin door design. This refrigerator has a capacity of nearly 24 cubic feet and features our hybrid door design with bar handles for the refrigerator and a pocket handle for the freezer. It's Wi-Fi enabled and features 3 kinds of ice, including LG's craft ice. If connected to Wi-Fi, you can control your refrigerator temperatures, ice production, monitor your filters, and then purchase an app. You can also receive push notifications if the door's been left open and other alerts. The control panel to the right is where you can adjust the fridge and freezer temperatures. You can press and hold these buttons to reset the water and air filters as well. Below that is Smart Grid. What Smart Grid does is when it's enabled, your refrigerator receives a direct signal from your utility company. So at peak times when energy costs are the highest, the fridge will lower its energy usage, leading to cost savings for you. You can also press and hold this button when connecting to the LG ThinQ app. Next are your ice controls. Press once to turn on and off Ice Plus. Ice Plus boosts ice production for 24 hours, making it great for times when you might have parties. If you press and hold this button, you can turn the indoor ice maker on and off. Underneath this is the controls for craft ice. If you press this button, you can cycle through the craft ice controls, choosing to turn it off or make 6 cubes of ice or 3 cubes of ice daily. At the bottom is control lock, which you just press and hold for 3 seconds, and this will disable the controls when it's on, and if you need to turn this off, you just press and hold for another 3 seconds and it'll disable it. The LG Counter Depth Max refrigerator with zero clearance is perfect for tight spaces and is a great addition to your kitchen. To learn more about this product and other LG refrigerators, visit lg.com.